Yeah, buddy. Got us another one. How about some Save-A-Lot brand seasoned fries? Stay tuned. And if you haven't already, check out my video on extra crispy chicken tenders. Let's get ready to get this going. Right. Now it shouldn't take too long. We just gonna add some fries to this hot oil. We've already done our chicken in this same pan. So if you'd like to see that video, just go to the video before this one and check it out. These are some pretty good fries. They're supposed to be a knockoff of the Rally brand fries, which are some really good fries. And but these are the cheaper version, and you'll be surprised how good they taste. They're actually really close to what the Rally's brand fries are. So let's get them all in the pan, give them a good couple of shakes, and just let them go for about 5 or 6 minutes, man. You know, French fries, nothing big to it, but they are delicious. $1.99. Oh yeah. All right, here we have our finished product. Once again, if you'd like to purchase these fries, they are Save-A-Lot brand seasoned fries. Check them out. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking and cooking.